This is a normal day in the life of an intercultural exchange teacher. So join me, let's set up together and teach my class. I hate it when I have to teach a topic I have taught before. I already have a timetable. Each costume, I know when to wear it. Each costume should be worn only twice, evening session and morning session. And right now, I am on evening session. Then I got a new class. This new class, I have to start teaching what I have taught other class. So now I am teaching gastronomy, which is the Nigerian food, which I have taught other classes before. I'm teaching this class now. Now see, let me show you. See, I have to carry my chin-chin that I'm reserving for the morning session when I will switch. And then I have my kilishi. But the kilishi, I'll put it here. So this is my kilishi and this is the chin-chin with my bowl to go to my class. So right now, I will have to set up my class. Ladies and gentlemen, here is my class. Right now, I have to do all this to set up my class. So, let's start with this. Okay, does anybody have any question?
How do you make the
Chin-chin. It's flour, sugar, water, milk. You mix together, you cut in small pieces and bake in the oven. Yeah.
What kind of meat is it?
Milk.
Meat. What kind of meat?
Beef.
Beef.
Yes.
What kind of chili?
It's red chili.
Mexican?
More than Mexican.
Ladies and gentlemen, gastronomy from Nigeria. Before you leave, they're going to put picture.
Okay.
Damn, I didn't bring my tripod. Oh, you know what I got for the picture?
Buenas tardes.
La mitad de esa ayuda. Es que voy a llevar la.
Ya te lo voy a decir.
Sí, sí,